Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Krikey AI, an online tool that promises to generate animations using just text prompts. So if you've ever wanted to create animated stories or cartoons but thought it was too complicated, this review is for you. Let's see what Krikey AI is all about, straight from their website. Krikey AI positions itself as an AI animation generator that allows you to create 3D animations in minutes. The process seems straightforward. You describe your scene and their AI brings it to life with animated characters. You can even customize avatars, choose from different genres, and edit your creations with a text-based editor. A major positive is that you don't need to download anything. It's all web-based, making it accessible from most devices. However, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks based on what the website shows. Since it's a browser-based tool, your experience will heavily depend on your internet connection and device capabilities. The quality and realism of the AI-generated animations might vary based on the complexity of your text prompt, and there could be a learning curve to writing prompts that give you the exact results you want. The free version likely comes with limitations, such as watermarks on exports or a cap on the number of videos you can create, which is common with these services. The true test would be in the hands-on output, seeing how well the AI interprets creative ideas and how natural the final animations look. Overall, Krikey AI appears to be a user-friendly platform for beginners to dip their toes into animation creation. Krikey AI offers a tiered pricing structure, starting with a free plan that provides a one-time grant of 20 credits to explore core features like creating custom 3D avatars using the AI text-to-animation tools and accessing their animation library. The Pro plan significantly expands on this with 150 monthly credits, unlocks powerful editing features like watermark removal and background removal, and allows exports in multiple formats like MP4 and GIF. For Teams, the Teams plan requires a minimum of 3 people and offers 200 monthly credits per user, adding crucial collaboration tools for real-time editing, custom character upload for brand consistency, and AI script generation. Finally, the Enterprise plan is a custom solution for larger organizations, offering features like longer video uploads, automated license management, and is designed to empower entire teams with an AI-powered content creation workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech tools. See you in the next one.